kalah atas Arema FC 02. Ini kata pelatih Persis Solo Milomir Seswija dan Sutanto Tan.
Oke, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Itu dia respon dari laga Persis Solo kontra Arema FC yang dimenangkan oleh Arema dengan skor 2-0. Sudah hadir mewakili tim Persis Solo ada Coach Milomir Seswija dan juga Sutanto Tan. Masih sama, silakan sebutkan nama dan asal media sebelum saya beri kesempatan untuk bertanya. Coach, I thought people thought that Persis Solo played really well in the first half, and then the second half the game changed. Can you explain what happened with the game today?
You are right. 45 minutes, Arema no have any shot on goal. We have two chances, and we are late. We are late in training and late in the game. We cannot do this goal in the training, and now we're going to the match. Because the very simple things, our foreign players didn't have any fitness, don't have any high intensity training before to play games. This is the only one problem. And they start early, the experienced player, they just wait for our mistake. 68 minutes, Arema no any shoot on now goal. And this is the lacking of not playing like this game. Most of my players never play the semi-final and final. That's why they lose. But it's no lose. It's just to learn from this game and become the better. We cannot criticize anyone. We come with this preparation, but it's little bit sad when you lose like this game. And that's it. What to say? They tried their hard. But still, there is no connection between players, and we're going every way around. We are not direct. We are too much running, but no efficiency. But it's best things because we cannot train. After this game, we have to have recovery training some other club, and one more training. This is not enough. But it's good. It's good try. It's good experience, and. We come in semi-final and we have still chance to get third position, and we did lost. This game can make all us stronger and better, and we know what we have to work. And this season it's going to be very hard. It's our target. You know how it's 5 to 10 position, and we'll do this.
Ya, Coach sudah menjelaskan 45 menit pertama Arema memang bermain bahkan tanpa shot on goal dan kita bisa mencetak gol peluang. Dan yang paling terjadi babak kedua adalah kita telah merespon karena ada beberapa kondisi, salah satu antaranya adalah para pemain asing kita belum mencapai level fitness terbaiknya. Dan seperti dibilang Coach tadi, bahkan sampai menit ke-68 belum ada peluang berarti dari Arema, tapi kemudian mereka mengubah keadaan dengan cepat dan kita belum bisa mengikuti. Ini menurut Coach bukan sebuah kekalahan yang perlu terlalu diratapi dan adalah sebuah pembelajaran untuk kedepannya. Tapi tetap saja ketika kita kalah harus ada yang dievaluasi. Dan belum mengatakan bahwa kita akan melakukan pembenahan ketika di latihan. Dan besok ada recovery, besok ada latihan lagi. Tapi saya rasa masih belum cukup karena ada beberapa pemain yang belum mendapatkan konektivitas satu sama lain. Setelah laga ini kita harus tampil lebih kuat, kita bekerja lebih keras karena kita harus menyiapkan untuk laga yang lebih penting di selanjutnya.
It's no excuse. No excuse. There is no excuse. It's just real things, you know. We are not having any excuse. The others may be the same, but I don't think the others have more training, maybe more longer range. But I'm happy with the last 15-20 minutes of these young boys. They show something. They show the courage to the play. Because you guys, rotation, they come here from the aeroplane here, and they need time to other. I know how to say protecting them, and they have to very fast to adjust. There is no any excuse. We lost the game. We should have lost the game. We give them to win. We give them final.
Ya, Coach mengatakan ini bukan saya mencari alasan, tapi saya bisa menjelaskan apa yang terjadi di lapangan. Saya harus bekerja lebih keras lagi. Dan beliau mengapresiasi di 25 menit terakhir tadi para pemainnya yang menunjukkan keberanian dan beberapa pemain yang baru saja datang yang masih butuh adaptasi. Jadi ini bukan sebuah alasan atau mencari pembenaran, tapi ini yang terjadi dan beliau mengatakan bahwa memang pemain harus beradaptasi dan bekerja pertanyaan sama untuk Sutanto mungkin. Bermain cukup bagus di babak pertama, kemudian di babak kedua sempat kembali menjadi tertinggal 2-0. Apa yang terjadi di laga hari ini sebenarnya?
Ya itu artinya ada ruang yang harus kita perbaiki untuk kedepannya. Saya mungkin bilang pada Arema. Tapi ada beberapa hal yang perlu kita perbaiki. Salah satunya itu dampak yang dari 68 mereka ada peluang. Tapi yang paling penting adalah respon kita setelah kalah ini. Bagaimana respon kita besoknya? Saya rasa itu yang patut saya bagi pada anak-anak karena mereka ini terus fight untuk pertandingan selanjutnya. Dan itu kita sekarang pelatih kita harus lebih fokus seperti yang pelatih bilang di latihan. Jangan ada yang tambah lagi dalam penyerangan, sisi penyerang atau pertahanan karena kita harus lebih disiplin di sana.
Oke, pertanyaan pertama, teman-teman, silakan. Ya, silakan.
Ya, dari Coach tadi Coach katakan ball position di babak pertama sebelum tercetak tadi proses menguasai dominan dengan 40. Namun sulit untuk masuk ke gawang dari Arema, termasuk tidak ada peluang untuk melakukan shooting. Sebetulnya apa yang terjadi dari striker-striker Persis termasuk Sananta, ya, CDB dan pun tidak ada peluang untuk melakukan shooting dari dalam kotak penalti. Terima kasih.
Coach, you said that we played good in the first half, even we dominate possession, but when we go through in the final third, really hard to break the defense. Can you explain what happened between all the strikers like Sananta, Musa, and perhaps Rossi?
But this is start of the season, and what you expect? They try their best, you know. They like to score the goal. How they score the goal? First, tell me, explain me. What Arema have 70 minutes? Nothing, because their game is to just wait for our mistake and counter-attack. And it's not easy to go there. They are strong, they are bigger, they are physically bigger than the Masamai players. We have like this, and there is no excuse. We have, as we see the first half, we have a chance. If Sananta just makes simple his goal, is he direct? He's young boy, he have to learn this. He tried that chance, and we have the very good chance when nobody follow. This is 3 chances. Arema no even shoot on the goal, and they not allowed you to come. No, we cannot, and we know have we missing something in creation. It's very hard to create this because you have to be persistent in creating chances. When somebody make mistake, you have to go safe. They are never go direct, and the biggest problem here is bad habits. We have the players bad habits. Just how we get the goal. If he receive the ball with opposite leg, he go through. But this Indonesian, they skip the basic and come here. In the match, we have so much domination, and we have the angle. If we just open body like this, we can score. But we open body like this, and we can come back. That means it's too late. It's a long way to go, and doesn't matter how much I change this habit, the players have to force. This is why when I come here as a coach, I tell him, you have to change some habits. Some players think training is not important, and they're lucky on this. We have the simple things. When we are passing, and opponents coming, you just pass ball here, we want to pass through the leg, to him, to the wall. And this is the bad habits that nobody correcting from youth. They skip it and come here. But it's final deal. You know, this is the for final, and it's not easy to be coming 4. You beat Percy, and coming. That means if you go to final, you have to show more quality. That means if one chance for the goal, they nothing from nothing. They are waiting up to score the goal, but we have 3 chances we cannot score the goal. That means it's naturally you can train him to 20 years, but for striker you have to give money and can score the goal. How many goal scorers have? Not much in the world. It's a lot of money cost. And we have Sananta, who is good, but for this, if you want one striker, one chance for the goal, that's the problem. Striker is hard position, and everybody wants to have striker, but it's not easy to score the goal. Everybody, it's easy to be general after the game. Why not this? They want to score the goal. But after 3 weeks, you want to him come in top 4. It's unbelievable. It's unbelievable. We skip everything. Luckily, we not injured. And we are physically better than them. You see last 50 minutes? We're physically better than them, but we are right. We need somebody to put the ball in net. If we put the ball in net, we win the game. This is the decider. Everyone team who put the ball, everyone chance. See last time Borneo and Persija, 2 corners. I tell me, is it any chance? No chances much. The Persija have more chances, they miss chance like us, and after the end they lost. In this moment of the tournament, if you're not using chances, you're going to lose the game. If you not make mistake.
Ya, coach mengatakan bahwa ini adalah musim masih banyak yang harus diadaptasi termasuk striker kita. Jadi kita bisa melihat bahwa sebetulnya mereka semua bermain cukup bagus di menit awal, tapi memang belum bisa cetak gol. Dan beliau mengatakan bahwa gol Arema datang dari kesalahan kami dan counter attack. Jadi sesuatu yang harus kita benahi. Dan Sananta menurut beliau harus banyak belajar untuk bisa memanfaatkan peluang. Tapi itu adalah wajar karena dia masih muda dan berbakat. Tapi beliau mengatakan bahwa Persis kehilangan kreasi dan momentum untuk bisa mencapai final untuk menciptakan peluang. Tapi ada beberapa hal yang disebabkan karena kebiasaan beberapa pemain yang sesi latihan yang mungkin harus dibenahi dari level teknis. Beliau mengatakan bahwa beberapa hal teknis seperti passing bola, kemudian gerakan badan di sesi latihan, beberapa pemain Indonesia dari tingkatan paling muda tidak pernah mendapatkan evaluasi. Jadi ketika sampai di senior harus diajar lagi untuk bisa melakukan hal teknis dasar. Tapi beliau mengatakan kita akan berusaha memperbaiki itu. Coach Milo juga bilang bahwa tadi sempat ada momen di mana Persib mendapatkan 3 peluang tapi belum mendapatkan gol. Sekalinya yang mendapat 1 peluang langsung bisa mendapatkan gol. Dan mereka semua di sini harus bekerja keras, termasuk pemain asing, pemain muda dan pemain Amerika harus bekerja keras. Sananta adalah striker yang bagus, tapi sekali lagi posisi striker adalah posisi paling sulit karena mereka bekerja keras. Dan kebanyakan tim Indonesia ketika bicara tentang striker pasti akan mengeluarkan budget yang cukup banyak untuk mendapatkan striker berkualitas cetak gol. Tapi sekali lagi di Indonesia ada banyak hal adaptasi. Saat ini kondisi semua tim mungkin harus melihat satu sama lain, seperti misalnya ketika lawan Borneo dan Persija, 2 gol datang dari servis, kita harus berusaha memanfaatkan peluang servis yang mungkin. Betapa mungkin kita bermain bagus tapi akhirnya tidak ada gol yang besar untuk lawan. Oke, selanjutnya. Coach, any update about Rizky di this condition?
I don't know how to check doctor just go.
Oke, kondisi Rizky Dwi masih dipastikan tanya ke dokter, mungkin akan ada update lagi setelah ada kondisi medisnya. Ada lagi? Silakan. Oke, tidak ada. Terima kasih. Selamat malam.